Okay, this is a heating and cooling graph. The direction of heat flow is from hot to cold because it goes from hot and the particles will spread out, cold, and that endothermic change is when heat is added. And so if you start with a solid right here, the temperature will increase gradually until it hits the melting point. And when it hits the melting point, the temperature will not change. It will stay the same, and then when it becomes a liquid, the temperature will increase and continue to increase until it hits vaporization, which can be achieved through either boiling, which happens below the surface, or evaporation, which happens on the surface. And once again, the temperature will not change. And then when it hits gas, the temperature will gradually increase until ionization. And ionization is when the gas particles become charged, and it enters the fourth state of matter, which is plasma, which has charged particles. And so, if you go from a solid, liquid, gas to plasma, it is phase changed each time from because there are 4 different states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and these 4 go from from slow-moving particles all the way to fast-moving and charged particles. And then you can go exothermic change, which is when the flow goes back down. So a plasma, to get back to a gas, will have to go through deionization, where the particles are no longer charged. So when it hits gas, the temperature will gradually decrease until it condenses and forms water droplets, turning into a liquid. And during deionization, condensation, and freezing, the temperature does not change. So when you hit a liquid, the temperature will gradually go down until it hits its freezing point. And when it freezes, it becomes a solid. And once it's back to a solid, the cycle can start itself over again, or just stay as a solid. So endothermic, exothermic, the 4 states of matter, and this is how they get there.